Are we too lonely? Why teens now trust AI more than humans? Sam Altman warns, is AI becoming our therapist? Imagine this, your child is sitting in their room, sharing their deepest secrets, their fears and their pain. Not with you, not with a friend, but with an AI chatbot. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently admitted that many young people are doing exactly this, turning to artificial intelligence for comfort as if it were their therapist. This raises a serious question. Have our human connections become so fragile that we no longer listen to each other? What Sam Altman said. In a recent interview, Sam Altman revealed something both fascinating and troubling. A growing number of young people are opening up to AI the same way they would to a trusted friend or even a psychologist. Why? Because AI is always available. It doesn't judge, it listens without interrupting, and for many that's more than what they get from the humans around them. Why are teens choosing AI over people? But here's the real issue. Why are so many people, especially teenagers, turning to machines for emotional support instead of their parents, their friends, or even professionals? The truth is uncomfortable. Our relationships have grown weaker. Families are distracted, parents are too busy, friendships are more superficial, and society has become noisier. Many young people feel like no one truly listens, so when a chatbot gives them undivided attention, it feels like care, even if it's just an illusion. The psychological impact. From a psychological perspective, this is dangerous. AI may simulate empathy, but it cannot feel empathy. Conversations with AI create what experts call a false intimacy. It feels safe, but it's hollow. And the danger? People may become addicted. The brain releases dopamine every time we feel heard, and AI can provide that on demand. Over time, this can replace real human interaction, leading to isolation, depression, and a deeper sense of loneliness. The double-edged sword. Now, to be fair, there is another side. For some, especially those who don't have access to therapy or a supportive community, AI can act as a temporary relief. It can be a space to vent, to think, to process emotions. But relief is not the same as healing. True healing requires real human connection, something no algorithm can replace. So we return to the question, have our bonds as humans become so weak that we no longer listen to our children, our friends, or our partners? Maybe AI isn't the core problem. Maybe it's just exposing the cracks that already exist in our relationships. And the real danger is this. If we don't repair those bonds, more and more people will choose the silence of machines over the messiness of human connection. What do you think? Would you trust AI with your deepest secrets? Or is it simply a dangerous illusion of comfort? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this video thought-provoking, make sure to subscribe for more insights on how AI is shaping our minds, our relationships, and our future.